Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy chocolate chip banana nut bread. So if it looks good, let's go. Alright, so first I am starting off with a stick of room temperature butter, and then I go in with three very overly ripened bananas. They are the best for this because they are nice and sweet, nice and soft, and they will mash up perfectly. So you just want to make sure you mash up the bananas with that room temperature butter. As you can see, it's very important to have room temperature butter. So after that, I am going in with 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and after that I also like to mix that up together. And we're kind of like mixing the wet and dry ingredients up separately, and then we're going to slowly add in the dry ingredients. So to that brown sugar, I'm going in with 2 eggs, and I want to make sure I mix that up all together as well. And after that, we're going to start with our dry ingredients. So I have 1.5 cups of flour, I have 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then I want to just sift that all up, make sure that there are no big clumps in there, because you do not want that in the final product. Then I'm switching over to a whisk because that was the better option. So now that that's mixed up, because I love an extra dense, extra rich kind of banana nut bread, I'm going in with a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Then I'm going in with a 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. Now the almond extract is really going to highlight the flavor of the chopped up walnuts that we put in there. About a 1/4 cup of those chopped up walnuts. I went in with a 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I went in with a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then I went in with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, just to bring out all of these flavors. And then mix that all up together. Now it's time to go into our loaf pan. Make sure also that your oven is preheated at 350 degrees. Very important. Then I line my loaf pan with some parchment paper, as you see, just to make the removal process very easy and uncomplicated. Then I just topped it all off with some more of those semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now I want to put it in my oven, bake it for about 40 to 50 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out nice and clean in the center. And now, y'all, this is what we have 40 to 50 minutes later. For me, it was closer to 50 minutes. And this is what you have, y'all. The best, most amazing, easy, homemade chocolate banana nut bread. So good, y'all. And look at that. The removal process is so easy. Just lifted it right out. Use my spatula to just slide that parchment paper away. Then you want to just let it cool on your cooling rack for about 15 minutes. So the banana nut bread has finished resting, and this is what it's looking like. So moist and so dense, and that chocolate is just ooey gooey and baked all in there, and it's really good, y'all. So I hope you enjoyed this easy, quick recipe. Definitely let me know down below in the comments what you thought about it, and if you try it out, let me know what you think. So y'all, with that said, you can hit the like button, you can subscribe to the channel, you can share the video, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Later.